Hi, and welcome to...
Perfect. Perfectly timed with the match found.
Yeah. Welcome to Shit Talk once again. This might be the new format. We're just playing... Oh, shit! Playing video games and falling off our chairs.
How'd you... You know what? Team
I'm good.
deathmatch.
Mickey had a story.
Story!
Story! This
Story.
is a terrible story, actually.
No, it's fine.
Well, I was in Sweden today and bought candy and soda. And there's this big like candy drawers where you pick like loose candies. And I don't know how. I don't know.
Yeah,
And
it's like you just grab like a paper bag and then you fill it up with candies
Yeah.
from the shelf,
Yeah.
basically, not in
Yeah.
wrappers.
yeah, and there was these two girls,
Ooh.
small girls. Not. I don't know how old they are. Probably around 10. And
Right. I
I was
retract
having-
my ooh.
yeah. And me and my friend were having a bit of fun and laughing jokes. Haha. And then I overheard, or we overheard one of the girls saying, "Oh," just talking to her friend, "Oh, I regret taking so much candy. What do I do?" And I just started laughing. And I just look at them and smiling and laughing. And they just look at me horrified by this 20-year-old man just standing there laughing and smiling at them. And I didn't know what to do, so I just waved. 10,000 times worse. They looked even more terrified, and I was like, "Oh fuck, what do I do
No,
now?"
because waving is actually better, because now you can just get away with saying you're mentally retarded.
No, always fine.
Yeah, and then I figured I have to say sorry. They look petrified, and I was starting to walk over there, and I was like, "No, I can't go over there." After I smelled creepily at them and waved, I can't go over there and say sorry. I would be screamed at by as a pedophile. And I was
Yeah,
like,
you know
"Oh
what?
no!"
Who's gonna have a fucking story like on a podcast in 10 years? They're gonna be like, I once met this fucking pedophile at a candy store. You're scarred to young children.
Yeah, that's what I said to my friend. I was like, "I just fucked up someone's life." I felt
Extreme.
so
Your week was way more interesting than mine.
What did
No,
you
this
do?
was just today.
I did nothing. Straight up.
Same. Absolutely not.
This is going great.
Oh, one
Anders has
second.
more kills.
Of course I have more kills. I'm fucking godlike at video game. I just died. In the middle of that statement.
Very resting this game.
It's not called rest if you were never good.
You're an actual cunt today, you know that?
I've been drinking.
Today?
Most days.
I take no responsibility for losing. I was at the
Nothing.
top of our scoreboard.
Yeah.
No.
I'm at the top of the scoreboard for me.
Yeah.
Didn't have the best score, but I'm at the top of the scoreboard.
One way to look at it, I guess. Another one? Oh, I just assumed the red people were my teammates. That was not so
What?
That's actually
That's
quite
very
not
fucking.
right at
It's a
all.
very dodgy assumption, I know.
Oh no!
So I'm pretty
That's-
sure the blue part here is land.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
This episode will just be called "You Like Jazz." I'm
Do you
dead.
like jazz?
Maybe.
Can I
don't
veto
know.
that?
Yeah,
No.
we have something about a candy store instead.
Like Mickey in the candy store.
Yeah, Mickey, two tiny girls in the candy store. Or something like that.
I like that title. Can we have that?
No.
Mickey, two young girls in the candy store.
There we go. It was the perfect one.
You guys are horrible.
We are.
You're horrible,
Right.
obviously.
Can you bunny open this?
Don't know. Problem. I mean, it's Quake. I'd be slightly disappointed if you couldn't.
Yeah, but it's like a modern game. What's a modern game without a slight disappointment, Chris?
Excellent question, actually.
That's actually also a viable title line, in my opinion.
It really is.
Oh, hello. Probably exist though.
Oh, why did auto? Oh, I ran out of ammo. God damn it! I fucking ran out of ammo. It auto switched to my rocket launcher. I shot the enemy right in front of me, and I died from the explosion.
Yes, I love that.
That was fucking bullshit.
How much health does this guy have?
Don't
Not
worry, I
enough to
finished him
survive
off for
Bandit. And then you killed me. That's not great. Do that.
Because I'm a piece of shit. You just said it.
Oh!
Oh, you're a cunt. You know that,
Yes.
His name was.
Mr. Get Fragged.
And Ghost.
Oh yeah. No.
Dude, the rocket launcher is so. He had 1 HP left. Are you kidding me?
God damn it! Is that the Doom
no,
guy?
no.
Oof.
Guess who's the best at video games? Spoiler alert, it is not me.
Help us.
So I'm going to be yelled at tomorrow. Sitting and screaming like a moron.
At 1 AM. I mean, at 4
I
PM,
got it.
we're responsible with our recording times.
I like that they yell at you tomorrow.
Sure. Yeah.
Very
I'm
patient.
gonna yell at him now, Chris. They're asleep.
I felt like so many was that they weren't going to be for very long there.
God damn it.
Sorry, and this.
We're having fun this time.
Yeah, this is games.
Unlike last time.
Yeah, last time was fucking. Yeah, Chris, there was a Genji on the enemy team. How were we supposed to have fun?
Oh, yeah.
I remember Anorisa and the new
And
character.
Water of Ash. Yeah.
Ash. Yeah.
Ashy.
Ash.
That's like one of those like pretentious names that you give to your child just because you don't actually want a child. You just want to be unique with their name.
Oh, I hope I never do that.
Best up number
I
13.
swear to God, that is like fucking course of for divorce if a future wife wants to give a dumb name like that.
No, I hope I never do that.
the
That
thing
would
for-
mean that a child would be called something incredibly stupid.
The thing is that I'm afraid that Chris's child will just be named fucking Plort Brother or fucking
Yeah, but giving Chris the ability to give a child name is terrible.
This is Gorbachev fish.
Yeah. This is Oogbart.
This is-
Actually, that was my
this-
Pokemon name.
Soup Oogbart.
This is Supidux. He's new to this class.
The Coolifo was my Charizard.
It's foreign. You don't say.
No idea where it's
Chris,
from.
I just want to say, if you ever get kids, please let your wife get to name them. Just
Yeah, or like at least
stay
fucking
out of it.
clear it with me first.
Yeah, or anyone else.
Just
Just
running by.
Yeah, or like fucking whenever you tell the doctor what you want your name, what you want your baby to be called, just stare at his face and see if he has any emotions.
If he bursts out laughing, that's bad. That's a bad sign.
I should stop using the word cunt, but would I? No.
You really should. You're just
Oh.
using it stressed.
Yeah, that's the problem with using swear words too much. It's like they lose their oomph.
Yeah, but like, no, yeah.
Calling
Casually.
somebody a thunder cunt only is only original like so many times.
God damn it, Anders! I killed 3 people.
And I killed you. God.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, I
Mars.
glitched through the map. That's not fair.
No, that's really not fair.
You pushed me out of the map, Chris.
Did I?
Yes.
I didn't get any points for that. I just
You
removed.
fell through the map and it said like I was killed by Gafael.
I didn't get any points. I just removed you from the match. Wait, what? How did I kill someone?
10 minutes left on the timer.
4
No,
minutes.
it's first to 50 or something like
I
And
may or may
I-
not have played very long.
that. Never mind. It's first
Oh.
to
I'm
39.
always 4 points behind Mickey. I refuse to believe it was first to 39.
It's probably to 30 and I killed myself once. I was in like an elevator, the jump pad, and then some guy just died in front of me. And it wasn't me. And then I won. I didn't fire a single bullet. I don't know what happened.
Maybe you stepped on his head and he got fucking.
Maybe he was
and
set
died
on fire because you walked into my fireball earlier. I don't know.
Maybe
I
Bethesda just ran out of servers and needed to free one up. Like, yeah, fuck it, you've had your fun.
Ran out of server memory.
One server they had.
Yeah.
Needed
That's
it
why
for
there's so
Fallout.
few people. Yeah, you didn't hit me.
I got a hit marker.
No, I didn't.
I have video evidence. God damn it,
Get good.
Nvidia, fix your netcode. Nvidia? Sure.
Why not?
Why didn't
I
you?
probably need to fix something, right?
That was one of you, sorry.
Oh, baby. I died.
I'm very happy about that.
Get over here.
Did he kill you? Did I? Or did you get a
You
Did I
killed
get
me.
two? I think I
Kill
just
both of
killed
us.
How are your words doing, Chris?
my words.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I didn't ask. What do you want?
Incoming protection.
I don't
You're
know.
trying to make fun of me. Is that what's happening?
Yes.
Awfully
Is
confused.
that not fucking blatantly obvious? Sound like J. Jonah Jameson from that one Spider-Man movie. Could you pay me in advance? You know what I'm talking about.
I do. Was that person just AFK here? Oh, he wasn't AFK off there.
Oh, I got dead.
I got dead, and then Meat Grinder got me in the face with a grenade launcher.
Yeah, I had
Fucker
one.
crying out loud! Everybody keeps killing me when they have 10 HP left.
I had.
I mean,
one
isn't that
HPN.
just good then? You dealing damage.
No, that's not good. That means I'm getting 0 kills, but doing all the effort.
You're outsourcing. Fire!
Ah,
Oh,
get
and then
fucked.
Bandit killed me.
Did you just kill yourself?
No, I
No,
killed him.
I ran into Anders, and then there was him.
Wow.
I don't know how that would change my strategy at all, but...
Probably somehow you'd figure out a way to kill me while you still had 10 HP left.
Just scream get
Life
me.
finds a way, Chris.
Oh,
Yeah, me
suicide! I did
Okay,
set
that-
fire to someone that
That's
fragged
not
Bandit.
guessing help,
Thanks,
Chris.
Chris.
That's...
I appreciate that.
No problem.
Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to catch either me or Anders on Twitch, live
catch?
streaming, just
If you want to catch Bendit on Twitch, head on over to twitch.tv/catchbendit.
it's gonna be in the down there. So please, thank you for
Send it
listening. Have a nice week. Bye, guys.
Bye.